This is a Soda Black production. I heard you like it slow.
Stand in open sky and pray for rain. Hopeful like the flowers, but they feel the same way. Tell me love and hatred doesn't coexist. Surely I reply that's what resentment is. I was naive, not ignorant. So much for my innocence now. Love me, leave me, let me down. Just let me break these habits somehow. To you it seems insignificant. To me everything's different now. Won't forget what they say about how these things can come back around. But is it possible to make mistakes? Is it possible to lose your way? Is it possible you made it hard for me? Is it possible you never thought of me, baby? An open heart and I've been hurt. Looking back in retrospect, that ain't what I deserve. Want it back in blood I'm gonna get. And still I pray for love instead of common sense. I was trying to live with it. You can say I'm uninterested now. Fool me once, I guess that's allowed. But fool me twice, well I'm not as proud. To you it seems insignificant. To me everything's different now. Won't forget what they say about how these things can come back around. But is it possible to make mistakes? Is it possible to lose your way? Yeah. Is it possible you made it hard for me? Is it possible you never thought it'd be rainy?
Looking fine as hell, green and pink nails. I'm still getting money, so I sleep well. Make these hoes pay attention to the details. And yes, I pay retail. 40-inch bust down with the good hair. Man, I wish a bitch would stare. You could never compare. Now I don't have to choose, give me 2 pair. Yes, I'm all about cash. What you know about struggle? Get your money up. What you know about hustle? They believe in anything and they run with it. But you can catch me at the bank going dumb with it. You can tell them anything, they gon' run with it. But I've been stacking up these racks going dumb with it. Stacking up a meal going wasn't done with it. Always knew the shit was real, wasn't done with it. Gotta let these niggas live, don't be done with it. I had to just forgive and be done with it. Got some real bitches with me and they call me twin. If he cheated one time,